The Edco Magna TL9 Turbo Lite grinder is a compact high-speed grinder designed for coating removal, surface cleaning, and light leveling. This single-disc electric grinder provides a 9-inch working width and can resurface hundreds of square feet per hour. The motor is directly connected to the multi-accessory disc without using a gearbox or belts, spinning it at 1,680 rotations per minute. This makes the grinder compact yet productive. Preparing the machine for operation is easy. Start by folding the handlebar into the transport setting. Loosen the handle screw and pull out the pin. Fold the handlebar and insert the pin into the lower position, then tighten the handle screw. To transport the 90-pound machine, lift it using the built-in hand grip. To insert tooling, tip the machine onto its handlebar and slide Magna slide-on tooling onto the multi-accessory disc. The core Magna tools are designed to strip, grind, and remove. Magna blades strip away softer coatings without grinding or removing concrete. However, Edco does not recommend the TL9 for any stripping applications. Contact Edco to learn how to solve these applications and for more information on the entire Magna tooling line. The diamond dots are designed for general-purpose grinding applications like removing thin coatings, erasing concrete imperfections, and smoothing concrete. The diamond segs are designed for more aggressive grinding applications including light leveling and hard coating removal. Both create smoother concrete textures. The PCDs with backing segment aggressively remove industrial strength coverings that most other tooling cannot. Using strong polycrystalline diamonds, this tool makes quick work of epoxy coatings, urethane, and other thick coverings. The PCDs have directional arrows that must point towards the disc's rotation. PCDs create textured surfaces. If you need to remove tough coatings from concrete and also leave smooth concrete surfaces, remove with PCDs, then smooth with diamond dots. Tip the grinder forwards after installing tooling onto the disc. Unfold the handlebar back into the operating position. To adjust the machine to the heights of different tooling, use the built-in leveling system. Pull this lever and slide the machine up or down until it is level. The bubble level is an approximate reading. The machine is level when all tooling is touching the floor surface. Further adjustment while grinding may be needed. Attach a 2-inch vacuum hose to the vacuum port for dust prevention. Grinding concrete releases silica dust into the air. Silica causes respiratory diseases and is strictly regulated by the government. Edco recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention because they capture this harmful microscopic dust. The Edco Vac 200 pairs well with the TL9. This floating dust shroud will keep debris confined in the machine when a vacuum is in use. To start the machine, plug it into a standard wall outlet and turn the power switch to on. The machine will begin grinding. When operating, always move the grinder in a side-to-side motion. Make sure this motion is kept when moving forward and back. This technique allows all the different tooling options to correctly do their various tasks. Do not push the machine like a lawnmower. The tooling will not work correctly. Thanks to its direct drive design, the TL9 is a very low maintenance machine. There are no bearings to service and no belts to replace. Periodically inspect the grinder for loose wiring and check the head assembly for damage. For more information and to view all Edco training videos, visit edcoinc.com and Edco's YouTube channel. Call Edco customer service using 800-638-3326.